We use electricity every single day, yet most of us have never stopped to ask what it actually is. You do not need a degree to understand it. You just need one clear mental picture, and everything in solar starts right here. Everything around you, the walls, the air, the water in your glass, is made of tiny particles called atoms. At the center of each atom is a nucleus, and around it move even smaller particles called electrons. Electrons carry electric charge, and that charge lets them push and pull on each other. In a metal like copper, some electrons are held very loosely. Give them a small push and they drift from atom to atom in the same direction. When billions of electrons flow together through a wire, we call that an electric current. You cannot see it, but you see what it does every day. It heats a kettle, spins a fan, and lights an LED. But electrons do not move on their own. They need a push from an energy source. A battery pushes them with stored chemistry, a power station pushes them by spinning a turbine, and a solar panel pushes them using light. That push is an electrical pressure between 2 points, and we call it voltage. Here's the picture that makes it click. Water in a pipe. Pressure from the tap is like voltage, the push. Water flowing through the hose is like current, the flow. And a kink that narrows the hose is like resistance, anything that slows the flow down. Open the tap and more flows. Add a kink and less gets through. Electricity behaves in exactly the same way. And here is an important safety point from that same picture. A disconnected hose still has pressure behind it, ready to spray. In the same way, a solar panel disconnected from its circuit still has voltage and can still give an electric shock. The flow may stop, but the push is still there. Always respect that. So why does this matter for solar? A solar panel does something remarkable. It turns sunlight directly into a flow of electrons with no fuel, no burning, no moving parts, and no noise. Sunlight hits the silicon, knocks electrons loose, and pushes them around the circuit and into your home. And that electricity is identical to the grid's. Your appliances cannot tell the difference. So that is electricity. Tiny electrons given a push we call voltage, flowing as a current. Hold on to that simple picture, because every lesson from here builds on it.